everyone, welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Arun Jaitley in Goa for BJP's Jan Sampark Abhiyan says no decision yet on Shripad Naik candidature. Voters will give befitting reply to corrupt Congress in poll, says Jaitley. Chaos strike Congress over Santa Cruz, Fatorda and Kankon seats. Mummy meets High Command. Says she's fit and fine. Isidore Bandekar and Daya Pagi threaten Congress against Vijay Pai court. Sources say High Command favors Pratima from Fatorda. Hasiba Amin is new state NSUI president. Sunil Kautankar is vice president. Krushev Alimau and Michael Menezes to head North and South Goa districts. Air India pilot strike hits Daboli air traffic. Chaotic situation at airport on Saturday. 2 flights of Air India cancelled. Passengers furious for mismanagement. Fairy tale script for former Churchill brothers goal machine Odafe Okoli in his return to Goa. Odafe hat-trick powers Mohan Bagan to a 3-2 win over Churchill brothers. And Mahesh Gowli regrets not playing in overseas leagues when offers were pouring in from Malaysia, Singapore and England. Lacked moral support and a push, says the former India stopper back. Now the news in detail. Leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha Arun Jaitley has made it clear that the decision on Shripad Naik's Poruri proposal is still pending final decision. Jaitley says Congress is facing a massive trust deficit for being corrupt and voters will speak through the verdict. Arun Jaitley is in Goa to flag off the party's Jan Sampark Abhiyan. He was speaking to media on Sunday.
BJP central leadership is still undecided on the MP Shripad Naik's proposal to contest from Porvorim and his return to state active politics. When questioned, party leader Arun Jaitley informed this to media on Sunday. Jaitley says Shripad Naik is a leader who can perform at centre as well as in state politics. Party High Command will take appropriate decision very soon.
There is no question of any difference of opinion. Wherever the party can best utilize its important leaders, it will do that. You see, we don't declare our organizational decisions and strategies in a press meet. We decide them inside the party.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar was projected as CM by the party during 2007 assembly poll. But this time, BJP has not declared the legislature wing leader.
पिछली बार जब इलेक्शन हुआ था तब मनोहर पर्रिकर को आपने पहले ही प्रोजेक्ट किया था, तो अब ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? किसको प्रोजेक्ट करना है?
नहीं, वो अधिकार और निर्णय आप कृपया कुछ दिन के लिए हमारे पे छोड़ दीजिए, हम लेंगे तो आपको बतला देंगे.
Jaitley expressed that people have lost their trust in Congress following multiple scams and corruption charges. Jaitley is fine with pre-poll alliance with MGP, which is presently Congress-led government's coalition partner.
This government has even converted the preparation of the regional plan into commerce. सच में जब मैंने कहा कि इट्स अ सेसपूल ऑफ करप्शन और बीजेपी ये मानती है कि हमने जब यहां सरकार चलाई, हमारी सरकारों का अच्छा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड रहा.
BJP will kick off its Jan Sampark Abhiyan from Monday. Arun Jaitley will flag off the Abhiyan. A rally was held from Mahalakshmi Temple in Panji on Sunday to mark this Jan Sampark Abhiyan. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Sushant Par.
Chaos has struck Congress camp over Santa Cruz, Fatorda, Kankon and Poruri candidate selection. Victoria Fernandez met the High Command in Delhi to lobby against Babush Monsurat, while Isidore, Daya Pagi and Sanjay Bandekar are unitedly working against Vijay Pai Court's probable candidature from Kankon. Congress bloc in Poruri is annoyed over Jitendra Deshprabhu's re-entry in Congress, whereas sources in Delhi say Pratima Coutinho is a prime contender for the Fatorda seat.
Congress is facing a lot of chaos over seat allotment at Santa Cruz, Fatorda, Kankon and Porvorim. Vijay Sardesai was working hard in the Fatorda constituency for the past 5 years, hoping candidature. But surprisingly, Youth Congress candidate Pratima Kutino's name has been pushed at the top from Fatorda, and Sankalp Amonkar is a front-runner in Murgaon for candidature. If Pratima is awarded a Fatorda ticket, then she becomes a Youth Congress as well as a women candidate. Let us hear what Pratima has to say.
So they have suggested my name there. So I have to oblige and I have to abide by the directions given by my High Command. That is my leadership. There is any problem, कित्याक विजय फाटली काम करता जाल्यार तो कित्याक लागून काम करता. ऑर्गनायजेशन आमचे काँग्रेसाक घटमूट करपाक तो काम करता. आनी हांवें जशें म्हणलां that he is worked and I am also part of it. I am also Congress, he is also Congress. So I don't think there should be any difference.
Vijay Sardesai is confident that Congress will choose a winnable candidate in Fatorda. He is sure of getting Fatorda ticket. Vijay says he is not aware about any decision on Pratima's candidature.
हांव रावला म्हाका दिसता ते भशेन अजून काय फायनलायज जावंक ना. सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की हांव एक विनेबल कॅन्डिडेट आनी म्हाका खात्री आहा की काँग्रेस हायकमांड जे डिसिजन घेतले ते पार्टीक बरे आसतले.
On the other side, Vijay Pai Khot's probability as a probable Congress candidate in Kankon is receiving severe opposition from party's local leaders. Isidore Fernandes, Sanjay Banekar and Daya Pagya lobbying in Delhi against Vijay. They have threatened to defeat Congress seat in Kankon if Vijay Pai Khot is awarded a ticket. These movements are turning to be a roadblock for Vijay's ambitions.
पण मागे मत कितें तूं जे कोण इकरा जाणां आहाय तांकां तिकेट दी एकल्याक कोण नाल्यार बांदेकारा दी हांव फुल सपोर्ट करता बांदेकाराक.
जर काँग्रेस पार्टी पडली सेक्युलर पार्टी धर्माचे चलपा पार्टी न्हू जातीचे चलपा पार्टी न्हू दिगंबर कामत जे करता ते जाती करता तुका दिसना.
तुकाय दिला इजर बाबाकय दिला समजा विजया कडून तिकीट दिली ताणे तूं कितें करतलो.
आमकां त्या वेळार मोठो ठराव घेवचो पडटलो आनी बुश करची पडटली.
Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandes met High Command in Delhi on Saturday. She has said that Delhi visit was to inform the High Command that she is fit and fine to campaign. Victoria is confident that she will get justice.
And I especially came, you know why? Because I was told there was a report sent that I am very sick, I am on bed, and you have a mulla ticket. All those things were told beside. I also told her my first preference, if they can, would be my son. Otherwise, I am there. I am very much confident.
Sources say party leaders in Delhi questioned Mummy about growth of Congress party in Santa Cruz, but the clarification wasn't satisfactory. Jitendra Deshprabhu is making his re-entry into Congress on Monday. Deshprabhu was stripped of all his important posts in NCP following illegal mining allegations. Now the word is out that Deshprabhu is Congress candidate for Parwari. But Parwari Block Congress headed by Dayanand Narvekar has demanded a local candidate for Parwari.
पेडणे मतदारसंघ अनुसूचित जातीक हो जाल्यामुळे रिझर्व जाल्यामुळे परवरी हो मतदारसंघ हांवें चूज केलो.
The Santa Cruz, Fatorda, Kankon and Parwari ticket issue will surely raise its ugly head in the screening committee's meeting in Delhi on Tuesday. Vijay Sardesai will surely battle hard for Fatorda ticket. If Pratima Kutino is given candidature from Fatorda and Babush from Santa Cruz, then it would be interesting to see political moves of Vijay Sardesai and Victoria Fernandes. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Walanka Alimao-backed panel has swept the state NSUI election on Sunday. Hasiba Amin defeated Sunil Kautankar by a thumping majority. She is the new president of state NSUI. Khrushchev Alimao has won the North Goa district election, while Michael Menezes has won the chief of South Goa district.
Lenny Jadhav, National Secretary and in charge of state NSUI, declared the results of state NSUI election on Sunday. Hasiba Amin is the new state NSUI president and former president Sunil Kautankar is the vice president. Khrushchev Alimao has been elected as the North Goa district president.
There were altogether 178 voters who were to select their state president, and 160 people voted down today. And the president, Ms. Hasiba, she got 85 votes. Our vice president, Mr. Sunil Kautankar, he got 44 votes. North Goa president is Mr. Khrushchev, and the South Goa president is Mr. Michael. And I wished all of them a very good luck, that they'll do a very good job in Goa.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sushant Par.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.